In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task tracker in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll have a clean, dependable sheet that shows every task, who's responsible, its current status, and when it's due. First, sign into Smartsheet. From your home screen, click Create, choose Grid, then select Blank Sheet. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Let's call it Task Tracker, and open it. You'll see a new grid with column headers across the top. Next, set up the key columns. Double-click the first header and rename it Task Name. This is where you'll describe exactly what needs to be done. Rename the next header, Assigned To, so you can track ownership. Change the third to Status and the fourth to Due Date. Keeping these labels simple and consistent makes sorting and filtering easier later. Now let's format a couple of those columns to keep your data clean. Right-click the status header, open column properties and change the type to dropdown. Add 3 options: Not Started, In Progress and Completed. Limiting choices prevents typos and keeps your status reporting accurate. Then right-click Due Date, open column properties and set the type to date so Smartsheet can sort and highlight deadlines correctly. Quick note before we add tasks. There's a link to Smartsheet at the very top of the description. Use that link to sign in or start a trial if you're new. Time to enter tasks. Each row represents one task. In task name, type a clear, action-oriented title. In assigned to, add the responsible person. If you're using contacts, start typing and select the correct name so notifications work smoothly. In status, choose from your drop-down options. In due date, pick the deadline from the calendar. Continue row by row until all current tasks are listed. If you like, you can sort by due date or filter by status to focus on what's most urgent. But the core setup is already done. From here, keep the sheet up to date as work progresses. Move tasks from not started to in progress and finally to completed. Smartsheet auto-saves, but give it a second after edits to sync. When it's time to collaborate, click Share in the upper right to invite teammates with view or edit access. Set permissions thoughtfully so the right people can update status and due dates without changing your structure. That's it. Your lightweight, effective task tracker is ready to use. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe for more practical walkthroughs, and grab the Smartsheet link at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.